Hey there, some of you guys open Google Keep like this and then add note like this, then add it like this by clicking here. What if there is a way to do it quicker and simple? Here I'm going to show you the trick I learned. I wish that I know it before using this app. Now here what you do now is to remove this like this, go out of the app like this. Here we are going to use one feature that is called shortcut, which is added to Android and iPhone depending on the device you are using. This is how the shortcut work. Here, if you are using Android from Android 7.1 to 13, you can find this feature. Now here is how to do it. Now here what you do now is just press on the app like this. Here you can see the list of shortcuts. What if I tell you can drag this out like this by clicking on it like this and then drag it out like this and then click on it to use it? You see here, click on it to use it. As you can see, it is now an app. You see it here, which is connected to the Google Keep. You see now here, let me try it on the note feature like this. Press on the Google Keep like this, you can see here, and then let me use this create a new note. Now here let me drag it out like this, you can see, and then you can see I've dragged it out. You can see now it's now an app. Now here let me click on it. You can see now here I can type anything which I want here and then go back like this. You see, and then if I want to type again, I just click on it like this and type a new note. You can see here. Now here I can go back like this. You see, also you can just access the shortcut like this by pressing on it like this and then click on it like this. You see, and write your note. You see, so that's the trick. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.